Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Inca. In this video I'll show you how to manage DPI stages. In the beginning, let's go to Lamzu Aurora app, and on the right side of the app we've got performance. Here we've got 5 DPI stages: 400, 800, 1600, 3200 and 6400. Each DPI stage has its own color, and also each DPI stage can be adjusted. Maximum DPI stage is 30,000. Next, you can also change amount of DPI stages. In order to do it, press minus or plus buttons here. Maximum stages amount is 5. To change color, press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.